Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. 3 months ago I made a video on how to fix wipe data factory reset when it's not available on your Galaxy device. But some users have recently said that when they try to use the method, they get an error. MDM mode can't erase user data. And so for this video, we're going to fix MDM mode can't erase user data and together with factory reset when it's not available. So stick to the video till the end for successful unlock. And here we have this Samsung Galaxy A02s, which we're going to factory data reset today. This method should only be used on Android phones supporting Android 11 and above. Below Android 10 and below, this method could break your device. Your device will get stuck on a boot loop, and when you try to flash the firmware, you might realize that you'll get an error. All binaries are not allowed to be flashed due to KG lock. Also, erasing user data using download mode also fails. MDM mode can't erase user data. It failed. So what you're going to do is a bit simple. It's a simple solution. Go ahead and make sure you open on the back of your device. Remove the backtop cover of your device. Some phones needs to be heated so that the glass on the back could be removed. Some just plastic, which could be also removed with no effort. But depending on your device, firstly you need to reach for the motherboard. We're going for the test points. Make sure you carefully remove the back of your phone, back cover. There are different forms of mobile. On the back of your device, not all devices are the same. There are different models. What you're going to do is you're going to remove this top and also ensure everything that you have removed, keep it in a safe place where you'll be able to find it and you can return it easily back to your mobile device without any issues. Maybe like losing the screws and misplacing some of the hardware. Now, what you need to do here is you need to go to the test point, and for instance, we're going to click your device. For me, I'm going to click on Samsung, but here you'll click on the model of your device. This is Samsung Galaxy A02s. So the test points are right beside the camera. And indeed, it's true. these are the test points. Now, what you need is a tweezer or a copper wire. A tweezer or a copper wire, so that you can connect the test points. Then insert a USB cable while the battery connector is disconnected. And before doing the steps, also make sure you have the Qualcomm EDL file, loaded file. This is less than 1 MB, and you're also going to install a driver for the test point, for the EDL mode, emergency download mode. Once you finish, go back to the tool and go to Brom/EDL mode. Once you click on Brom/EDL mode, you'll have 3 options or more depending on the type of your device. So it's waiting for the QD loader. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect the test points using a copper wire, and then insert a USB to a mobile phone. I mean the charger, the USB cable. I'm going to connect the test points, then insert a USB cable. Make sure the battery connector is disconnected. Since it's timed out and this cable seems to be faulty, I'm going to use another USB cable. What I'm going to do is, as I said earlier, make sure the battery connector is disconnected, short the 2 points, and then insert a USB cable, and you're good to go. After clicking on Erase MDM, click on Erase MDM, then connect the test point and insert the USB cable, and you're good to go. Once your device connects, the operation will be performed successfully. After this, you will not encounter MDM mode can't erase user data. As I said earlier, click on EDL mode, Erase MDM. I'm going to click on EDL, Erase MDM, and as the tool awaits for the connection, I'm going to short the test points. I'm going to short the test points, then insert a USB cable. Exactly, then I'm going to insert a USB cable. Oops. And try again. Okay, connection was successful. and erasing MDM1K, erasing MDM2K, MDM3K, rebooting device K. And what you're going to do is you need to disconnect the USB cable from your device and reconnect back your device back to the normal state. And don't forget to insert the battery connector properly. What you're going to do here is you need to reboot your device into download mode. You're going to reboot your device into download mode. So press and hold both volume buttons and then insert a USB cable. Then you'll be prompted with a blue screen with a warning. But if you want to continue, click on the volume up button and you'll enter download mode successfully. And what you're going to do is you need to go and open this tree. Make sure you're using the latest version. And once the tool opens, go ahead and click on download mode. Go ahead and click on download mode section. Make sure you have selected Samsung, then this step will erase NMD memory and will cause a boot loop. Therefore, your phone will then state that can't load data may be corrupt, and you'll have 3 choices. Try again to factory data reset or to cancel. So that's how you get the wipe data factory reset option if you are getting MDM mode can't erase user data